any product, the sales is declining. Second one is stock availability. I told you about the Icon Gori. I went there for purchasing different products. Unfortunately, stock was not available, especially for the yogurt. Yogurt for the Nestle brand is not available. Then you have to imply motivation. Imply motivation is not necessary that you have to give them a fringe benefits. You always give them money. No. Imply benefits is that you just, after 1 week, you send an email to the employee that you have done a remarkable job for the organization. So that also a motivation. You know? And then you know timings. You have to be 9 o'clock in the class. And teacher suppose me here 15 minutes before in the class. Then class timing is also, you know, is very, very necessary for all of us. Then trainings. Mostly imply they need a training. If they are not required training, you have to get the orientation training. If orientation training is not available, then you have to go for different sort of trainings. Look, if you are working in an organization, in an orientation training, you will see how they are operating the machine, on-job training, off-job training. So these trainings are very necessary for all the employees. Then, product quality. You know, every organization, they think about the brand image. So brand image comes once the performance of the product is beyond their expectation. Like for me, if I use any particular shampoo and I'm more satisfied, then I realize this product is good. Then financial constraints. Many organizations, they have a financial constraints. So you have to think about then poor services. Okay, if your product quality is good but your service is poor, then that is also reflect the whole company, whole brand image. उसको कंपनी का ब्रांड इमेज जो है ना वो कम हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपको वो सर्विस नहीं मिल रही, सर्विस आपकी पुअर है, उसके लिए आपको किसी भी सूरत में कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करना पड़ेगा. कस्टमर नेवर कंप्रोमाइज, ही जस्ट स्विच ओवर. So this is one of the fact that sales is declining. Then employee turnover, low salaries, and mostly employees they just switch from one place to another place. The reason is salary. So you have to give them a better salary and you have to retain your employees. Then manager-employee relationship. You must have a better relationship for the employees. If you have a better understanding, better employee relationship, then they can retain in your organization. Even though I can offer a more salary, but for that, if that organization there is no respect, then you will not work for that organization. Means respect is first, then your salary is second. Then career opportunity. Many employees they turn over because of the career opportunity. They got two more best careers, so they switch over from this company to that one. So employee turnover is also one of the career. And then training facility. You're working from the edges but no particular training in your field. Then skill variety, you have a variety of the skills. Then rumors, many people they are saying, oh, this coronavirus maybe comes again in Pakistan. Then again you will be go for the, these are the rumors. In organizations they are thinking, oh, maybe from next year, because of the low production, because of many issues, this company can be wind up. So these are the rumors. Then work itself and location. Location is also better. Recently I have one question with the ICRA. They were just starting something in Sakhar, and one of my friends was asking, which is the best location? I say for institutes, you must have any place in Sakhar within this city. But if you are just so far away from Sakhar, people are suffered, they can't afford to reach the ICRA 10 kilometers away from Sakhar. So must be in the central location. So organization also think about the people, they are think about, okay, I'm posted in Jacobabad, why not in Sankar? So sometimes turnover implies also, because of the location. Problems in marketing, in research, advertising, product image, product pricing, self-promotion, after-sales services, then product packaging, product distribution, consumer preferences, new product development. These are the problems related to the marketing. Once your product is developed, you have done a research that this product is best for yourself. But when the test marketing phase, you realize there are certain issues of marketing. So you go through all these checklists, and then you realize which one is the best. These are problems with accounting, department, finance. We will not concern. This is we concern. Problems in the management. You realize that according to your research and many management problems you have seen in the various organizations, because you are paid worker and you are working for the different organizations, you find information system. Information system of that organization is very poor. You realize through your research. Then strategy formulation. There is no strategy formulation in that organization. Because they are not thinking about 20 years ahead. They are thinking only a 2 year short-term strategy. They never ever think about the long-term strategy. Then human resource management, their HR department, what they are doing, right or wrong, and which direction they are going. Then employee attitude and behavior. What the behavior of the employees? What the attitude of the employees? And how this behavior can change the grip of the organization. Production operation management. Then you also think about the efficiency of the production operation management in the organization. Then impact of changing demographics and management practices. You also think about it, that how it works and how we will change it. Now come to the research. Now is your time. Now what is research? Research means search and search again and again. But what is the business research? A process of finding solutions to a problem after through the study and analysis of the situation factors. As a business student, once problem comes, we start research. The problem is concerning the declining sales, problem is concerned regarding product, problem is concerned with the sales, product comes with the different financial constraints, so we start research. Then managers make decisions, good decision, and the problem gets solved. You are the manager, you have to, think about what will be the possible solution of this particular problem. Then poor decision are the manager's problem and process. जब भी poor decision लेंगे वो problem already there, वो problem खत्म नहीं होता, इसलिए उसको हम poor management कहते हैं. Modern technology and personal computer with my means and an internet connection has made research exciting. Research को exciting कर दिया है किसने? Internet ने. World is like a globe in front of you. You can access the world with your fingertips. So in a research, you just think, okay, I'm going to work on impact of employee turnover and their problems in a new biscuit factory. So you start Google, you get the information, introduction, what the view is, how it works, what are employees, what are the problems. So you will get every information through net. But that information you cannot use without their consent. But personally, if you went there, you got the information, you meet with the employees, you meet with your sample size, then that information is yours. Then you can put this information for your research because you have collected for yourself the data. and that internet data is already available and someone else has done this one. Then decision making is a process of choosing among the alternative solutions. And research helps to generate viable alternatives and effective decision making. जब आप research करते हैं, you have a different alternatives comes. Okay, I can make this strategy. Then our sale will increase. You know, you make effective advertisement, then your sales is increasing. But how? Question is how you make certain strategy for long term. Long term goal, strategic goals, not a short term. Because your organization is, you see your organization 20 years ahead. Not for 2 months, not for 3 months, it's a short term goals. Then, as a manager, one of the other author, he said the business research can be described in systemic, organized effort to investigate a specific problem encountered in the work setting that needs solution. Problem needs solution. You are the manager, you need a solution for the problem. But you just read the problem, not react, then you are not effective manager. You must go for the effective. As an effective manager, then you have to think about a strategic formulation, consisting a series of steps, design and execute it, with the goal of finding answers and issues that are concerned for the manager in the working environment. Then this is also a definition of the business research in organized systemic database, critical, objective, scientific inquiry and investigation into a specific problem undertaking with the purpose of finding answers and solutions. Every definition is linked with other, and every definition is to solve the problem of the managers. Now, scientific research focusing on solving problems and pursue step-by-step logical analysis, rigorous method to identify the problems, gather data, analyze the data, and draw the valid conclusion from them. Scientific research, because you know it's not based on guess. This is my guess. No, where's the proof? Where's the empirical analysis? What you have done so far? On what basis you are saying that okay, this thing, my product is better than that? You have any research? You have any demographic? You have any sample? You have any research? On what basis you are saying? So research means you have to personally getting the data and observe from the people. There are a lot of, right now we have a different electronics equipment. You put in Goris and think about where is the sale of Lux and Capri, you compare them. You don't need to go there, but you think that when customer is choosing a soap, what soap he is getting. So you will get the data every day. You don't need to go there. But that devices also tell you okay, how many percentage of people they are going 75% choose the Lux, 25%. This is like the data which is already collected by electronics. Your mechanical and electronics devices, they calculate the data. Apply solution for the similar problem, and it is more objective in nature. Enable for those who are interested in researching knowledge about the same similar issues, come with the comparative finding and the data analysis.